Yeah!
Epic unboxing!
Yeah! Wait.
Why?
I should remove the not the box.
The cheese?
Only the
What? I think you kind of need my chopstick.
no.
My favorite
The
sort of hook.
oh, be careful, be careful.
Medyo ang bigat.
The belt. And then ano ba music ni Hawk? Ano music si Hawk? Wow!
Dudung, dugudung, dugdung, dugdung.
Start with the bass.
Of course, that's poison.
Wow, that's heavy. Sword. Oh, hold it lang, Martin. Oh. Be careful. I said, Martin, be careful.
Kamay ni Hawk. Martin, careful!
Martin, I said, be careful.
I'm being
Only
careful.
one head. Okay, let's.
How heavy is that?
19.15 kilos.
As heavy as you?
No,
Because you are 20 kilos.
I'm just
Almost.
15
Look
kilos.
at that, Martin. Look. Look at that, Martin.
That is the body of Hawk.
What's this?
Oh,
Ew. Oh no, I broke
the
it.
head of.
I broke it, Daddy. I broke it.
Up. We put it here. Bang.
Bubbles. So many bubbles.
Whoa.
A big bubble.
What's that?
The.
Ow.
How do you call that?
Belt. Armor.
It looks like the grandpa Hulk.
Here,
It looks
right?
like it looks like Daddy. The Hulk's daddy.
Which one?
That guy. Looks like Hulk's daddy.
Hawk's daddy?
Yes.
What do you mean?
His father.
What is the name of his father?
Hulker.
Hawker.
Hawker?
Oh, Hawk father. Hawker. How about
Hawk.
his... What is the name of Hawk's mother?
Hooter.
Owner.
How about the brother?
I mean that his mother is really
How about brother?
highly pala. Brother.
He's right.
4K.
Porky. Sister.
Like this.
What are you going to put?
This.
What's that? The sword? The axe?
Sword, the axe.
Di ba mahuhulog yan? Lalo na pag may nangailang bata.
Katulad ko.
Ah,
Lalo na pag may gumalaw na bata.
Sino?
natulog yan. Hindi na pag dinikit ka ito, din mahatak.
Why do you like Hawk? Among all Avengers?
Because he's the strongest hero in
Wait.
the sea.
Oh? He's the?
Strongest hero.
In what? In Avengers?
No, he's just the strongest hero in the world.
Alive.
Alive? He's alive?
Yes, still alive.
Where is he?
Somewhere out there.
Do you believe that,
No.
Martin?
Hulk is not true. It's
Whoa.
just a story.
Wow. It's just a story? Are you sure?
Yes.
How can you be so sure?
Because monsters are not real.
Is he a monster?
Yes?
He's a monster?
Yeah.
How come?
Because he's a green.
Just because he's green, he's a monster.
No.
And we're done! Here's the King Hawk. Ano sabi mo?
Who is he?
King Kong!
What? So heavy, man. You are so heavy.
It is the biggest hawk
In the world.
in your collection.
Bam! Look at that.
Mga isda.
And we're gonna put it here. The other hawk smashing.
Careful, baby.
There's more hawks around with him. You know?
How about the other hawk? The green hawk.
Wait.
Masyado.
Where's the other hawk?
Ayan, masyado madami.
Yeah, we're going to rule the world. Hawk smash with the king and the other hawk team mates.
Everything perfect.
Yeah. And unboxing is done. You know, that's great. With a hula hoop on the side. What the heck? What is this?